Finance is transforming. Are you? At ICFAI Online MBA, finance study goes beyond numbers, shaping you into a strategic decision maker through real-world contexts, in-depth analysis, and cutting-edge technological tools. ICFAI Online MBA follows the learning path that crafts change makers. Fully flexible in duration, learning methods, electives, and assessments, accessible anytime, anywhere, on any device. Balance studies with work, engage in activity-based learning through live projects, case studies, and more. Faculty a call away. Affordable fees with scholarships for eligible candidates. Global networking opportunities for a broader perspective. Cross-functional electives to enhance skill diversification. Let us understand the knowledge roadmap for finance management. A modern finance manager decodes the narrative within financial data and articulates its meaning to investors, employees, suppliers, and other stakeholders. The faculty edge. The ICFAI Online MBA faculty plays a crucial role in program delivery and ensuring meaningful student engagement. Professor Sunitha commands significant academic expertise. Her teaching areas include financial management, accounting and finance, financial statement analysis and decision-making. How does ICFAI Online MBA equip learners with adaptive thinking, enabling them to make critical, financial decisions with confidence? Let's listen to Professor Sunitha.
Do numbers excite you? You may say yes, especially if there is a rupee or a dollar symbol prefixed to that number. But finance is not just about numbers. The world of finance is transforming. Traditionally, financial reporting and decision making has been a realm that was dominated by numbers, tables, and charts. But with technology taking over a large part of these tasks, the emphasis is now on building compelling narratives, that is, going beyond the numbers. Narratives that resonate with the investors, employees, suppliers, and other stakeholders. So the challenge for every manager is how to decipher the story behind the financial data. Hi, I am Sunitha, Finance Faculty at ICFAI Online. The Finance Classroom at ICFAI Online encourages our learners to be better financial decision makers. Learners are provided with several contexts to analyze and build their arguments. They go through various projects that enable integration of your financial data for several managerial decisions. They are introduced through technological tools and aids that help them to arrive at financial decisions. That's not the end. There's much more awaiting all you in the finance classroom. So see you all in my classroom soon.
ICFAI Online MBA is offered by the ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education, which is a deemed to be university, Category 1 autonomous institution, and has received NARC A++ accreditation. The fully online program is UGC entitled and ICTE approved. To know more about our online MBA program, please contact us. We are happy to help you.